Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great week. I'm really excited because this weekend I'm heading to what looks to be a beautiful campground called Oh Ridge Campground. It's about a 5-hour and 20-minute drive straight up north from here in Los Angeles. And the campground is actually directly on a lake called June Lake. It's supposed to have some of the clearest water in California. Based off the research I've done, probably some of the clearest water in the entire country as far as freshwater lakes go. So I'm really excited for that. There's tons to do around this place. Going to do some snorkeling, even though it's going to be pretty chilly while we're there, but hopefully there'll be a few hours of sunshine and warmth during the day. It's going to get really cold at night, probably 30 degrees Fahrenheit or so. Going to really have to curl up in that sleeping bag. My friend Eddy is actually joining us. Really cool guy. He's really into nature physique workouts, which I love. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is @Braeden Baade, all one word. Please be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel of mine because every time I get a new subscriber, it helps to find new viewers and allows me to continue to make these videos. So please do that if you could. I'd really appreciate it. And stick around. Hopefully it's going to be a great weekend. We just arrived here at Oh Ridge Campground. This is June Lake right here. Before we even set up tent, we just went straight down to the lake. While the sun's still out and it's still fairly warm out, I just wanted to dive in here, do a little bit of snorkeling, see if I can see anything interesting. How was the drive here?
It's beautiful.
Scenic, huh?
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
That it is.
I heard different animal sounds I haven't heard in years at least. About 1,000 coyotes going. And I brought you something from Burning Man. There you go. I will crown you.
What was this for?
It was a gift from the playa. It was actually moot, which I've recycled. Look up moot, Google it.
I have to. It's good.
No, it's clean. It's clean. I'll wear it. You can't see my hair, it's just the beard.
We are now on a search for hot spring. It's been a bit of a wild goose chase. As you can see, we're out in the middle of nowhere. Great scenery. Love this area.
Are the cows lowing or are they mooing?
And what is the difference?
This is where a cow pie is. You can also grow mushrooms on that, I hear. There are a few hippies out back there we saw camping. You can learn a trick or two.
Welcome to my own personal nature hot tub. As you can see, it comes with cows.
Oh, the entrance is over here. It's really hot.
How is it?
Yeah, this is so good.
We're now preparing the snorkel gear.
We got the Liberator here. I recognize it from certain movies.
Taking Eddy out on an adventure. He doesn't get many of those. Gotta show him the world.
Beautiful. Huge shallows right here, and it goes off deeper.
Here we have a crayfish soaking up the sun. You ready to snorkel?
Nope. Gonna lie in the sun.
Currently sitting in Travertine Hot Springs. Great Falls of Merlin is scorching here. Where are we about to go?
20 Lake Basin. To hike 7 miles.
Eduardo is fully prepared for a strenuous hike ahead.
What's this stuff called? Steampunk?
This is an interesting terrain to walk on. Got snow here, right next to the lake. High elevation.
Part of the Nature Physique workout. Just find a random tree.
We're in the middle of the 20 Lakes Basin Trail. It's pretty chilly up here. See, if you look around, there's snow almost everywhere.
So the real question is, are we gonna get rained on? I'm going back to the campsite freezing cold.
What happened?
Got a stone, like a huge stone in my boot. Got it out though, so we're good. Got to keep the tits good.
Anna, I bought a home for you. Surprise, what do you think?
I love it. It's appropriately haunted. And you got the solar panel. You're definitely gonna see a Sasquatch around this spot.
You want to see who lives here?
Top of the morning to you, Eddie. How do you feel?
Pretty good. Remember having to wake this early for school? Now I'm actually happy to get up this early. Pretty good breakfast. Basically the same stuff I had in high school. Cereal, milk, banana, less sugar.
I know it's hard to imagine, but this lake right here is 2.5 times as salty and 80 times as alkaline as the ocean. This is what you see out in the water.
It's neat to just pick up the rocks and feel them in your hands and which ones are hard, which ones you can actually break in your hand. See, this one I thought I could break. It's gonna be a long one. There we go.
Look at this guy having people take shirtless photos of him.
That sounds like someone.
Looks like a
I
nutcase.
got morning hair, bedhead.
Eddie, where are we heading right now?
Devil's Post Spa. I've been looking for this for 2 years. You're looking at Devil's Post Pal, straight from the god. 120-degree angles.
So today is actually a particularly good day because I just released my third exercise book on Amazon. It's called The Nature Physique, The Amazonian Warrior Workout. It's actually my first book that's targeted towards females because I took all of the information that I used to train my female clients while I was working as a personal trainer in New York City. I took all of that and I put it down in a book, slash guide format. I think it's really easy to comprehend, really easy to really figure out what routines work for you and help you get in good shape, help you get better confidence. I watch this stuff get so many women in good shape. It's on Amazon.com. It's $2.99. If you want to get it for yourself or get it for a family member, friend, they'll get something out of it. I didn't even know donkeys can make horse noises.
For this nature physique exercise, we're going to do reverse grip lat pull downs with resistance band. Want to grow on 51, for extra credit 52, for the love 53, for the world 54, for Burning Man 55. All right.